Friends, colleagues, fellow legal eagles, and anyone else who's accidentally stumbled upon this video, prepare yourselves. Because today we're diving headfirst into a whirlpool of algorithms, legal precedents, and enough technological jargon to make your head spin. We're talking about the future of legal tech and AI, a future that's both thrilling and, let's be honest, slightly terrifying. I mean, imagine a world where robots are arguing cases and winning. Sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? Well, buckle up, Buttercup, because reality is often stranger than fiction. We've all seen those lawyer dramas on TV, the dramatic courtroom scenes, the nail-biting closing arguments. But the reality of legal practice, especially for overworked and underpaid lawyers, is often far less glamorous. It's mountains of paperwork, endless research, and the constant dread of missing a crucial deadline. Enter legal tech. This isn't some futuristic fantasy. It's already transforming the legal landscape, automating tedious tasks and freeing up lawyers to focus on what truly matters: their clients. Think about the sheer volume of documents involved in a single case. We're talking thousands, sometimes millions of pages. Manually reviewing all that information, it's a recipe for burnout. But AI-powered tools can sift through that mountain of data in a fraction of the time, identifying key information, spotting contradictions, and flagging potential issues. It's like having a tireless, hyper-efficient research assistant working 24/7, and you thought your caffeine addiction was impressive. But the applications of AI in legal tech go far beyond simple document review. We're seeing the development of predictive policing tools, which analyze vast datasets to identify potential criminal hotspots. Now, the ethical implications of such tools are obviously complex and deserve a whole separate discussion, and probably a few more cups of coffee. But the sheer power of these predictive analytics is undeniable. It's a bit like having a crystal ball that can foresee legal trouble, albeit with a hefty margin of error. And then there's the rise of AI-powered contract analysis. These tools can review contracts, identify risks, and even suggest revisions, all in a matter of minutes. Imagine the time and money saved. No more spending hours poring over legalese just to realize you missed a crucial clause. I wonder what planet the lawyers were on when they invented the practice of manually reviewing contracts. The sheer inefficiency is almost comical. However, the integration of AI into the legal field isn't without its challenges. One major concern is bias. AI algorithms are trained on data, and if that data reflects existing societal biases, the AI will perpetuate those biases. This is especially concerning in the legal system, where fairness and impartiality are paramount. Imagine an AI algorithm consistently recommending harsher sentences for certain demographics. That's a recipe for disaster. We need to address these issues head-on, ensuring that AI in legal tech is developed and implemented ethically and responsibly. This isn't just about tech, it's about justice. Another significant hurdle is the issue of transparency and explainability. Many AI algorithms, particularly deep learning models, are essentially black boxes. We input data, and the AI produces an output, but we don't always understand the reasoning behind that output. This lack of transparency can be problematic in legal settings, where accountability and justification are crucial. How can a judge accept an AI's recommendation if they don't understand how it arrived at that conclusion? It's like relying on a magic 8-ball to decide the fate of someone's freedom. The question of job displacement is also a significant concern. Will AI-powered tools render human lawyers obsolete? The answer, I believe, is a nuanced no, but while AI can automate many tasks, it can't replace the human element of legal practice, the empathy, the strategic thinking, the ability to connect with clients on a personal level. Lawyers will need to adapt, focusing on higher-level tasks that require human intelligence and judgment. Think of it as an evolution, not an extinction event. Furthermore, the legal profession itself needs to adapt. Law schools need to incorporate legal tech into their curricula, ensuring that future lawyers are equipped with the skills and knowledge to navigate this rapidly changing landscape. Continuing legal education programs will be crucial for practicing lawyers to stay current with the latest advancements in AI and legal tech. It's a bit like learning a new language, but instead of Spanish or French, it's Python or R. The implications extend far beyond the courtroom. Consider the impact on access to justice. AI-powered tools could make legal services more accessible and affordable to those who couldn't previously afford them. Imagine a world where everyone has access to basic legal advice, regardless of their income. This is a truly transformative potential. But again, equitable access to these tools is crucial. We can't create a system. where only the wealthy can afford the benefits of AI-powered legal services. Let's talk about cybersecurity. The legal profession handles highly sensitive information, and the use of AI and legal tech introduces new vulnerabilities. Data breaches, hacking, and other cybersecurity threats could have devastating consequences. Robust security measures are absolutely essential to protect client confidentiality and maintain the integrity of the legal system. This isn't just about protecting data, it's about protecting trust. The future of legal tech and AI is uncertain, but one thing is clear: it's going to be exciting. It's a future filled with both incredible opportunities and significant challenges. We need to approach this future with careful consideration, ensuring that the development and implementation of AI in the legal field are ethical, responsible, and equitable. We need to harness the power of technology to improve access to justice, while simultaneously mitigating the risks. It's a delicate balancing act, a high-wire walk above a chasm of ethical dilemmas. And who knows, perhaps one day we'll see AI lawyers arguing cases in court, presenting flawless arguments and delivering devastating cross-examinations. But even then, I suspect the human element will remain crucial. Because let's be honest, even the most advanced AI can't quite replicate the dramatic flair and theatrical flair of a seasoned courtroom lawyer. The human touch, the ability to connect with a jury, to evoke empathy, to tell a compelling story, that's something that AI, at least for now, simply can't replicate. The future of law might be automated, but it certainly won't be boring. The show must go on even if the actors are increasingly becoming algorithms. So stay tuned, because the legal tech revolution is only just beginning. And remember, when you hear this AI's closing argument, you might just spit out your coffee.